Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. It's lovely to see your beautiful faces here today. And if you're new, I make Photoshop and photography related videos just like this one. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and becoming a part of the family. We would really appreciate it if you join us, as I have a lot more content coming and it would be nice for you guys to benefit from those videos. Anyway, so this video is a behind the scenes that I did a while back, and I went on a trip with a friend and we decided to do a shoot in this awesome location. Now that's something I also want to do on this channel. I want to take you guys on a journey to, certain remote, beautiful looking, serene locations here in Ghana, so you guys get to see what we have here in Ghana. I also get a chance to see such places because normally I wouldn't travel out like that, but to create content for you guys, I'm willing to do that. So subscribe if you haven't, because I have a lot more content coming and beautiful places to see and photograph for you guys to enjoy. All right, so even though it was overcast, we still had some direction in the sun because it was coming out from a point, but it was just covered by clouds. So if you pay attention, you still notice that there is some direction to your light. And when I'm photographing dark skin, I always want them to face the light. I feel we're able to expose for them properly when they face the light. Another thing you can also do is put some shine on them. So you can use like oils, you can use anything that's going to make them glow. You can do that and it's going to make their skin look vibrant and fresh. All right, so we're going to jump right into the video, but I just want you guys to know something before we get into the videos. So there was so much noise when I was recording, so I couldn't really record my voice throughout. And also, there's a new filmmaker here in Ghana. My friend, the guy I went with on the trip, he was so excited about the gimbal that he was just moving everywhere with the gimbal. I was instructing him, telling him, yo, focus on this, focus on that. But all he was concerned about was just moving left, moving right. So if the video makes you dizzy, I'm going to put his link in the description. Just go and leave your comments on his Instagram page. Let him know that he made you guys dizzy. I'm not responsible for that. All right, let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with
Precious, and
we're going to be doing a natural light photo shoot in this epic, awesome location. I'm going to be using my Canon EOS as usual with my 24-70 Sigma art lens. And yeah, just enjoy the rest of the behind the scenes. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, especially if you're new. And yeah, let's jump right into the shoot. So I'm about to start the photo shoot, and what I want to start with is to get wide shots of hair in this corner. But currently it's cloudy, like the clouds are over the sun, so we don't have direct light on hair. All the light in hair is going to be really soft, flashing and nice. But still I can tell where the sun is coming from, and it's coming from this direction. So that's going to come straight down at hair to light her up really nicely. So I'm going to run you through my camera settings and then we're going to start shooting. Instead of, yeah, okay, this is nice actually, the way you're tiptoeing. But then you need to lift your chin up because of the sun, yeah. Perfect. So I'm going to go a little lower. Currently I'm at 1/1600 on the shutter speed, 2.8 IS f-stop, and then ISO 100. I love the hat. It works really nicely with the outfit she's wearing. Okay, I'm going to zoom in to 70 now. Okay, can you climb there? But just make sure you have proper balance. Let me hold you. Cool?
as a tiptoe.
Yeah, so maybe would you want to do it here and there instead? Would you be comfortable doing that way?
Like here.
Yep. Yeah, so you can leave the dress and let it flow. Yeah, I like the way the wind is capturing it. Yeah, let's just do a few with the camera. Bring the camera down, yeah, stunning. This is beautiful, so I'm going down to get more. Can we do some where you're sitting as well? Yeah. Let it flow. You can put one leg up here, and then, so this one, so you can just stretch it out. Yeah, just like that. All right, guys. Yeah, that's really, really stunning. So you see, one thing I'm doing is, even though I'm shooting in one spot, I am moving around, trying different zoom lengths to give me different crops, different perspectives. It really, really helps when you do that. Yeah, that's stunning. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys got to see the location. Even though we spent the entire shoot on the deck, I was still able to photograph a variety, so different angles, make her do different things, and also shoot with different crops, different focal lengths. All those things added variety in the same space that we were shooting. So if you're limited by space, always try these little things. Change your angles, change your focal length, you know, just vary the shots and just make them as interesting as you can within that limitation of space. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to be a part of the family, do that by hitting that red button down there to become a part of the family, and also turn on post notifications so you're notified anytime I drop a new video. I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, the links to my digital store are down below. If you want to grab any LUTs to support the channel, please do so. If you also want to become a patron for the channel and have access to raw files, the link is also down below. If you want to buy any of the gear that I used in this video, my 24-70, my EOS R, any of those, the link is also down below. Check it out, make a purchase, support the channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, don't ever give up.